Hi everyone, some Fortnum Mason's biscuit tins have a little round disc. You can use this to help keep your biscuits fresh. In this video, we look at how to do that. Fortnum Mason are a great grocery store. If you don't live nearby a store, their packaging is pretty awesome. I reuse it for everything, from storing fabric or wool. The biscuit tins are great for storing paint. Keep all my gouache in one, and watercolors and other things in another. And the circular biscuit tins are pretty cool for storing brushes. And the Christmas pudding bowls make a great place to store your wool for knitting. And last of all, don't forget tea caddies for keeping your tea fresh. Not all biscuit tins have this from Fortnum's, but inside it's a little gadget. It's a small disc. You'll see inside a little disc with perforated holes. You can actually remove this disc fairly easily by just twisting it and put it in an oven to dry it out. If you do that, it's going to keep your biscuits really fresh. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Turn the oven heat off and place the gadget in the oven for 30 minutes. We've heated the oven, turn the heat off, and I put the gadget in the center. I'm going to set a timer on my iPhone so I know when it's ready. Even though it's been cooling for half an hour, it's still going to be pretty warm, so when you take it out, be careful, you don't want to burn your fingers. You can see here it's still pretty warm, so maybe using an oven glove is a good idea. Let the gadget cool off and get the tin. Gently twist the gadget back into place. Don't use too much force. Now you're ready to get your favorite biscuits. If you can't get Fortnum's, these are my favorite from the local Indian supermarket. Load up your tin and you're ready to go for the next time you want to have a cup of tea. Like most of the packaging that Fortnum's provide, this is thoughtfully designed and well made. A really nice thing about this is, just like the pudding bowls I get with the Christmas puddings, I can use this over and over again. I think this is a great deal, and eating the county biscuits was delicious too.